Hello everyone! Let's make these giant paper flowers today. Your photo shoots can turn crazily easy beautiful with these flowers. Pick some kite papers or tissue papers in your favorite colors. Today we've taken 2 green sheets for the sepals, dark pink and light pink for the petals, 3 each, and 2 yellow sheets for the pollen. Ensure each color is 2 inches shorter than the one before it. Stack them this way and fan fold all the papers together, making each fold approximately 2 inches wide. Press the folds nicely as we need to unfold them for a while and then fold them back again as per the folding marks. Now unfold them and fold them back separately. Cut some 4-inch long strips on either end of the yellow paper. This becomes our pollen. Cut U shape on either ends of our pink papers. These are our petals. Finally, we cut the green paper, our sepals. Spread, stack, and fold them back again this way. Tie a string around in the middle and staple both the ends together. Now, gently separate one sheet at a time for a fluffy flower. Work back and forth from one side to the next and see how a beautiful flower emerges. Voila! Wasn't that crazily easy? We may hang them around the room or use them as a focal point, or even make some giant flowering plants like the way I did. Well, I hope you all liked this video. Please hit the like button and do comment. Subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.